Hi guys, and welcome back to another video from your channel New Cars Technology. My name is Josh, and today's video is about the all-new BMW 1 Series. For more than a year, BMW has been testing the 2024 1 Series, and a prototype has been spotted beside the present model. The new BMW 1 Series features an evolutionary design that includes rounded headlamps and a rather understated front bumper. The latter has vertical air curtains as well as a vertical pillar in the bottom intake that is most likely a sensor pod. Other characteristics are difficult to discern, but we can see a conservative rear end with no apparent exhaust points. Temporary taillights hint at a similar wraparound shape. The car is expected to be based on the 2 Series Active Tourer. This suggests a considerably upgraded cabin with a freestanding curved display is on the way. The vehicle will also have a revamped center console with a minimalist shifter, a rotary volume controller, and 2 easily accessible USB connections. While the 2024 1 Series has long been assumed to be a simple facelift, rumors have stated that it may be a complete redesign known as the F70. According to our assertions, the revised model will go into production in July 2024. If this is the case, the present F40 would have a 5-year lifespan. Whatever BMW plans, the 1 Series will be available with a variety of engines, including a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder with roughly 302 horses and 450 Nm of torque in the forthcoming M135i. Before I end the video, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell to receive all of the most recent and exclusive automotive news. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.